Dear students, welcome to class 5th Monday session, Nation's Pride lesson number 11. Before starting lesson 11, I will share some PDF with you that you can start writing at your own. Vats and Ayushi were watching the TV. Just then Ketul and Honey came back from the temple with Grandma. Grandma asked Vats and Ayushi, "What are you watching in the TV? Do you know about him?" Vats said, "Yes, this is about Fearless Azad." Grandma said, "Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar Azad. He was a very brave person, very brave warrior. Since childhood, he was very brave, sacrificed for the freedom of country." Ketul and Honey also watched this film. Afterwards, I shall tell you the story, one of such a fearless child. Then Grandma said, "Look at this picture and listen." Then you can see that one boy was passing through the tracks and he saw that one track is broken from the middle. That broken track, the train was about to come from there, and he is removing his shirt and waving in front of the train driver, and train driver stops it. Afterwards, train driver felicitated that boy and gave some felicitation of prize, mementos and certificate in a one function. Then we have our observation in the first picture. What do you see in the first picture? In the first picture we can see that a railway track was broken. Then what is the child doing in the second picture? In second picture we can say that child is waving his red color shirt in order to stop the train. Then why has the train stood still the second picture? Because the boy showed the danger signal. Next picture, the guard is congratulating that boy because he has stopped one of the best or biggest accident going to happen. What would you do if you were in the place of the child? We will also showing the danger sign by waving red color or white color or any other color which we have, we can wave it. Then we have to discuss it and note that event. Not that event. Then memorable characters of that event also we have to note down. Afterwards, one more story is given about Martiyar Poonamchand Jaisankar Pandya. Learn about historical events that occurred around you. In those events, there must be talk about martyrs. A martyr is one who dies for the pride of the village, of city or a country. Then Grandma talked about the picture is given, the martyr Poonamchand Jaisankar Pandya. It was the time when Britishers were ruling in the Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district, where every year Holi festival was celebrated with great favor. British had a bad law. The British official would make a statue named Laji, which would be of a man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put into the village center. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Once the youth of the village got together, they were brought together by a young man called Poonamchand Pandya. and he opposed it. British official got the statue made and went away. At night, Punamchand and his friends broke that statue. And very next day, everybody came there to follow the rule by the Britishers, but there was no statue. When the official inquired, Punamchand Pandya accepted his offence and court ran the case and he was sentenced for punishment. The law of Britisher slavery was removed. Punamchand took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government in order to free the country. Punamchand went to the jail for several times. To remember this patriot, his statue is there in PCN High School even today to keep his name as immortal. A road in the city is also named Freedom Fighter Punamchand Pandya Road. Later on, we will discuss more about this. Till then, I remain. Thanks, friends. Please read well the lesson.